Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in Minnesota in the Twin Cities. It is getting colder. Yes, it's getting colder and it is time to change out those wardrobes. I recently went on Fox 9 Good Day to talk about transitioning your wardrobe from summer to fall and winter. And I've got a few tips and tricks. The first thing I will tell you is that this is a great time to rotate your clothes if that's what you have going on in your closet. Pull out your summer gear, go through it, decide if you need to donate things that you didn't wear. If not, if you're keeping everything for next year, this is a great time to tote it up. Make sure you're using weather tight totes if you want to seal it in a space that's not climate controlled, so we can keep all of the mice and dust and things of that nature out of it. Otherwise, just a simple clear latching tote, sometimes under the bed storage. We've even done some vacuum storage in under the bed totes. That works really great too. Kind of tuck it away, but tuck it in a way that you might be able to go and pull it back out if you wanted to go on a vacation. So that's something to keep in mind. If you're tucking away summer gear, just make sure you can grab it if you need it. And then make sure you're displaying everything in your prime real estate. So all your sweaters, your shirts, your layers, your boots, your jeans, your sweatpants, all of these things. Your prime real estate is anything that you can see kind of from chest level to above the head. You want to make sure you can see all the sweaters and all the layers that you have. So when you're getting ready, you're walking in that wardrobe, you're grabbing what you love, putting it on and getting out the door, getting to whatever fun events you want to go to. So now is the time to optimize that space. So your job this week is to go into that wardrobe, flip it out and make it full of the things that you actually want to wear this season. So that's your challenge. Let me know how it goes in the comments, and I will see you next week.